Hey, what's going on, guys? Quick video today. I picked up 10 pounds of Tannerite, brand new in the box in a trade. I think the trade definitely was awesome for me, but the guy who I traded with also did get something that he wanted. But you can't go wrong with 10 pounds of Tannerite. Been dying to open this thing up. I want to check this out, and I'm pretty sure something will get blown up very soon. Little directions here. 10 pounds of Tannerite. You got that mixing stuff in here in a separate container. But yeah, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 pounds plus this stuff. Something is going to get blown up on camera very soon. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Keep out of trouble, guys. Stay safe, and I'll talk to you soon. Yo, what's going up, guys? Fuck. What's going on, guys? Quick little video here today. Balls.